So, today's little project I'm working on, I've been fitting some copper piping to create an airline system for the workshop, going around to give me outlet points around every machine, up and over the ceiling. Excuse the mess, obviously had to pull loads of stuff out of place to get the pipe work in place, but so far I've got the pipe work ran to where I'd like the outlets, and I'm going to be working on cutting this 50 by 40 millimeter aluminium stock into 100mm lengths, and then I'm going to machine, drill and tap an inlet for a 22mm 3/4 inch thread, compression fitting into the top, and then have a drain off point at the bottom of every manifold so you can drain any moisture that builds up in the system. So you can buy these online, but for quite a lot less I can buy all the fittings and the material myself and just make them, and it's a good little project for in the workshop, and it means I can customize them and have multiple different outlets for whatever I need around each machine. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, and let's see how it goes. So here's a bit of a shot of one of the finished blocks, the manifold blocks, before it goes on the wall. Got the 22mm input there, compression pitting for copper pipe work, and then 1/4 inch quick release fittings, 2 of those, and a drain off ball valve at the bottom there, which I'll then connect up to the drain off tails on the wall. So I've got this other one here where I've only done one outlet so far because I don't want to have this vertical. I want to have it horizontal on the wall, so I need to do my outlet in the bottom here, and then this will be used at the end of the line as the final manifold. So really pleased with how that's coming together now. So as you can see, I've now got the manifold blocks fitted to the wall, and I've attached some drain off pipes on the blocks that are above the shelves. So when I drain the inevitable condensation out the low points of the system, the water, it doesn't just blast all over me shelf there. It goes down the pipe and into a bucket that I can hold underneath it on this one, and on the other manifold block that I've got, it goes down and into the back of the lathe. So I'm really pleased with this setup now, and I'll be able to get quite a lot of use out of this over the next year or so, as I've had it set up for a couple of months now, but I haven't had the final bits of the system finished, so I haven't really been using it too much. But now I've got the drain offs installed, I can happily use my tools without feeling that they're going to get damaged by any of the water in the system. So I'm really pleased to get where I am. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video of making the blocks.